In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Salesforce instance. This process is simple and will take just a few minutes of your time. Let's dive right in. First things first, you need to head over to the Salesforce website, open up your browser and navigate to Salesforce's main page. Once you're there, your next step is to locate the login area, which sits conveniently in the top right corner of the page. Hover your cursor over this area to reveal the login options. This is your gateway to accessing all the functionalities Salesforce has to offer. From the list of options, you'll want to select Salesforce, just click on it and you'll be directed to the login page. Here, you'll need to enter your credentials to log into your Salesforce account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But assuming you do, go ahead and log in and we'll move on to the next step. Now that you're logged in, it's time to access Salesforce's settings. Look towards the top right corner of your screen and you'll find the Quick Settings option. Click on this and a menu will pop up. This is where you can manage all sorts of configurations for your Salesforce account. The next thing you'll want to do is open the Advanced Setup. This is a crucial step because it's within the Advanced Setup that you'll find the tools necessary to identify your Salesforce instance. Click on it and prepare to dive a bit deeper into the platform settings. With Advanced Setup open, direct your attention to the Quick Find bar. It's usually located on the left side. This handy search tool will help you navigate through Salesforce's extensive features. Type in company information into the Quick Find bar and hit enter. This action helps narrow down the myriad of options to the specific information relevant to our task. Once you've located company information, click on it. This section hosts a variety of details about your Salesforce account, including the exact instance you're connected to. Now scroll through the company information page where you will find a line labeled Instance. This detail highlights which instance of Salesforce you are using, whether it's NA1, EU2 or another variation. Finding your Salesforce instance can be crucial for troubleshooting, optimizing your service, or when working with customer support. Knowing this piece of information empowers you to manage and communicate more effectively when specific regional server issues arise. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Salesforce instance. This knowledge is perfect for your administrative toolkit and proves especially useful when handling specific Salesforce tasks or reaching out for support. Thank you for tuning in and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Until next time, take care.